Are you ready to take your room from ordinary to extraordinary? Look no further than our list of the coolest gadgets for your space. We've scoured the market to bring you 15 innovative and stylish products that will transform your room into a haven of awesomeness. From smart lights that sync with your favorite music to futuristic alarm clocks that will have you waking up in style, these gadgets are sure to impress. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Meet Aliving the coffee table that's as suave as your morning brew. This ain't your grandma's furniture. It's a tools-free, multifunctional marvel, with more compartments than a magician's hat, 4 drawers, and flip doors to stash your secrets. It's storage heaven. Assembling this genius is practically a magic trick, 80% done without tools in just 25 minutes. Smooth, stable, and scratch-resistant, it's not just a table, it's a lifestyle upgrade. The large, foldable top is the cherry on this furniture cake, accommodating everything from laptops to lazy brunches. Aliving, where style meets storage and assembly is a breeze. Revamp your room and level up your gaming experience with Cololight Hexagon lights. These cutting-edge LED lights will instantly transform your space into a mesmerizing haven. With 74+ unique lighting effects, you can customize your room to suit your mood and style. Not only do these lights sync perfectly with Razer for the ultimate gaming setup, but they also boast an upgraded dual-core processor for flawless execution of complex effects. Plus, with multiple control methods including voice assistants and the Cololight app, you can effortlessly adjust brightness, color, and more. Trust us, this is the coolest gadget that every gamer and decor enthusiast needs for an unparalleled experience. Drown out the chaos and embrace serenity with Yogasleep Dohm Classic, the OG white noise maestro. Since 1962, this fan-based sound machine is your ticket to blissful sleep, office ninja mode, and Zen meditation. With adjustable speeds, it's the superhero shushing your surroundings for optimal tranquility. Proudly hand-assembled in the USA, Yogasleep guarantees quality that withstands the sands of time and snores. Plug, flip, and find your peace with a 7-foot cord, ensuring sound dreams. Plus, it's not just a sleep aid. It's a design classic available in more colors than your wardrobe. Sweet dreams meet sleek aesthetics. Meet the Glaucoscent upgraded LED neck. Reading light, the superhero of literary illumination. Slimmer, lighter, and comfier. It's the neck accessory you never knew you needed. Say sayonara to cumbersome reading lamps. This featherlight genius is your ticket to a snug reading cocoon. With 3 adjustable colors and brightness levels, it's a personalized light show for your hobbies. Amber for bedtime tales, cool for crafty moments, and white for fixing life's little glitches. Keep your reading bubble private with a focused beam, sparing your family from your literary escapades during movie nights. Rechargeable, long-lasting, and protected by a 36-month Fortress of Warranty. Reading's never been this lit. Unlock a new era of security chic with the Ultralock U-Bolt Pro, where cutting edge meets rock-solid protection. Toss those ancient keys. This lineup is the gatekeeper to your fortress. Fingerprint ID, codes, or Bluetooth wizardry. Your entry, your rules. No smartphone anxiety? No problem. Control access from afar, making you the maestro of who enters your realm. With connectivity options as vast as your kingdom, U-Bolt Pro flexes its tech muscles near, far, and with your smart home gadgets. Say hello to the future of fortress fashion, because securing your domain should be as sleek as it is unbeatable. Introducing GoChess, the chessboard that takes your game to the next level. Prepare to be mesmerized as the pieces move on their own, adding a touch of magic to your chess battles. But that's not all. GoChess is not just a regular board, it's the most powerful chessboard ever invented. It offers real-time coaching, guiding you to make the best moves and improve your skills. Plus, you can play online with players from all around the world, and even challenge the AI-powered opponent for an ultimate chess showdown. The revolutionary Philips Sleep headphones with Cocoon, the ultimate solution for a better night's sleep. Designed using cutting-edge sleep science and backed by Philips' expertise, these sleep earbuds are here to transform the way you sleep. Equipped with biometric sleep sensors and advanced noise masking technology, They create a tranquil environment that ensures you sleep peacefully throughout the night, regardless of the surrounding noise. With their comfortable design and ability to help you fall asleep easier and enjoy a better quality undisturbed sleep, these sleep headphones are the coolest gadget to optimize your sleep and improve your overall health and well-being. Meet your steeped dreams with the Tea Bottle Forest Green, the swanky answer to all your tea cravings. This sleek marvel lets you boil, steep, sip, with the finesse of a tea maestro, minus the fuss. Toss out those clunky tools. This all-in-one brewing buddy has precise temperature control, a separate steeping chamber for true tea perfection, and hits 212 Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes. Because who has time to twiddle their thumbs waiting for tea? Crafted with premium stainless steel and sporting an ergonomic design, it's not just a tea bottle. It's a style statement for every tea aficionado on the go. Sip, don't spill the tea. Say goodbye to gym hassles and hello to your personal fitness haven with EverFix. This 3-in-1 foldable home fitness station is your ultimate workout wingman, seamlessly blending a treadmill, fitness pump, and rowing machine into a sleek, space-saving masterpiece. No more gym memberships draining your wallet or cluttering your home with bulky gear. EverFix's compact design is a game changer, bringing the gym experience right to your living room. With a smart digital panel and touch controls, sculpting that dream physique becomes a breeze. Ditch the gym, embrace the EverFits lifestyle because your fitness journey should be as versatile and dynamic as you are. Bitcoin Stock Price Display Tracker, the coolest gadget to grace your desktop. Get ready to track the wild world of cryptocurrency in real time, all while enjoying the convenience of a weather clock. This nifty device keeps you updated on the latest Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin prices, so you never miss a trading opportunity. Stay ahead of the game with this witty and stylish tracker that adds a touch of flair to your workspace. With its sleek design and easy-to-read display, you'll become the envy of all your crypto-savvy friends. Introducing the Bowio 2, the booklight that will illuminate your reading world like never before. This stylish and innovative gadget has been recognized for its sustainable design excellence, so you know you're getting something special. With Bowio, you'll experience a reading journey like no other, with optimal lighting that beautifully balances contrast and minimizes pesky glare. Plus, the touch-controlled brightness means you can customize your reading session to perfection. We prioritize our backers and guarantee timely deliveries, so you can trust that we've got your back. Turn up the beat and let the Oipo music sync lights dance to your rhythm. This sleek and stylish indoor decoration is here to up your vibe and add a touch of magic to your space. With its high-speed audio processing chip, it accurately converts your favorite tunes into a mesmerizing display of colors. The 12-level sound intensity adjustment and multiple rhythm and color modes give you endless possibilities to create the perfect ambiance. With 240 high-brightness LED lamp beads, each shining as bright as a diamond, this coolest gadget will surely steal the spotlight in any room. Introducing ErgoRead, the neck-saving, cozy-inducing, winter-warming wonder scarf. Say goodbye to neck pain and hello to a whole new level of comfort. This innovative heated scarf not only keeps you toasty warm in chilly weather, but also provides relief for muscle tension and promotes blood circulation. With its customizable temperature settings and powerful cooling fan, it's the coolest gadget around. Plus, its bladeless turbine design ensures a worry-free experience for all. So why suffer when you can have the ultimate neck-saving, head-turning accessory? Get your hands on ErgoRead and experience true comfort like never before. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia Pipi lamp, the coolest gadget you'll want to get your hands on. With its gesture control feature, this smart desk lamp brings a touch of magic to your workspace. Simply wave your hand and watch as it sensibly follows your gestures, lighting up your way. Plus, it's intelligently linked with the Mi Home app, allowing you to customize and control your lighting experience like never before. Say goodbye to boring desk lamps and hello to the future of illumination with the Xiaomi Mijia Pipi lamp. Introducing the coolest gadget for your bedside table, the 3-in-1 wireless charging night lights. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to convenience and style. This sleek and compact device not only charges your mobile phone and earphones at lightning speed, but also serves as a handy desk lamp with adjustable brightness levels. With its unique bracket function, you can effortlessly prop up your phone while it charges. No more searching for your phone in the dark. It's time to upgrade your nightstand with this amazing all-in-one device. Stay organized, charge fast, and light up your space with the 3-in-1 wireless charging night lights. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of coolest gadgets for your room. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which coolest gadget you're planning to pick for your room. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.